guys, it's me, Ashlyn, and today, I'm outside, and it's raining, so, yeah, I don't really know how to say this, but I have been right around here trying to find some place where it's kinda dry. Not very dry, but kinda. And I'm in kinda the wrong place. I know I keep saying kinda a lot, and well, I'm just gonna keep running around. I have a towel on my head, so I'm just gonna keep running around. And it's really raining. You can even hear it hitting the ground. See? Look. It's rain. Do you see that puddle? I can even show you a bigger one. Sorry, I'm getting second. Here's another puddle. Here's another puddle that you can see. This right here would be a puddle, but it ain't right now. So I'm gonna go and try this. Show you another puddle if it's here. This would be where a puddle is. Sorry if that's not too bright. But this is where a puddle would be. It's all here. So that's where a puddle would be, is right here. Like all right here is a puddle. But you can't see it. Well, there would be puddle, but it ain't rain hard enough, I don't think. Like, there is water on my screen of it. Okay, so it's raining. Got my towel. I'm still outside. Don't freak out because it's raining. And I asked, there is this Henry Jackson at my school. And, like, I really do love him. And I asked him if he could be my boyfriend. And he said yes. So, I, like, loved it. But we were boyfriend and girlfriend, like, last year. So, I don't really know. It kind of ain't raining here. Here's what it kind of looks like. Oh, shoot. Hold on. Sorry, my towel fell off my head. So, yeah, that's why I paused the video. Here's some of it where it's raining. That's why it's very dark, because it's fixing to be night. So, I don't really know what to do. But I'm going to try to wiggle this tree. Look at this. Hold on. Like drips. You can tell that's... Look at my road. Look at it. You can tell that it's still raining. I have a creek like right by here, like right there. Seriously, like right down there. You see where that big giant drop is? Yeah, that's a creek. So I live by a creek. I don't think it could flood. Only if it, oh shoot. I'm so sorry guys. I dropped my phone. So yeah, I dropped my phone. I don't know why I dropped my phone, but I dropped my phone. So yeah. I don't know how, but yeah, I dropped my phone. Yeah, I dropped my phone. It could have happened. Oh yeah, and I got new boots, like, on like this last Saturday. And I really do love them, but I'm not sure if they're good enough. They are high heels, but I mean, look at that cat. Just a little doodle. I have to zoom in so you can find it. Never mind these cars. They're coming like a big fatty. Do you see the cat? It's like, it's that dirt thing like right there. It is. Like, seriously. Right there. Seriously, right there. It's right there. So, that's where that cat is. There's like way over there. I can zoom in. Hey, look, there's Pumpkin right here. Pumpkin! Hey, Pumpkin! Hi! Hey, she is right there. She's right there. You see him? I think he's picking his boogers. My brother and my sister. One time, she did something, I don't know why, but my dad told me a story and my sister picked her boogers. It was like very weird. This is the 6th video I'm making. So I don't have that much videos. I haven't been a YouTuber for that long. I've been like a YouTuber about a month or two. I don't know, a month or two, 2 months, 4 or 3 months. I don't know, 4 or 3 months. Or maybe, no, I think it was 10 months or 9 months. I was like a YouTuber for a little bit, for a tiny bit. I wasn't really a YouTuber for that long. I'm by a tree right now. This cat is by me. This cat is going. Okay, I don't know where that cat's going. So, yeah. I don't make videos a lot because I don't know what kind to make. I just decided to make a video this time because I just wanted to. So, even though I can't do this, but I will be making a video. This one's only like 6 minutes and 54 seconds, or it keeps growing. But I know that's 60 minutes something. 7 minutes. It just turned 7 minutes. Okay, so I won't make videos. I'm not gonna make videos that much. I don't make videos that much, I mean. I really don't. Look at the sky. You can tell that's raining. Yeah, you can even tell that's raining. I'm kidding. It's like really raining. You can even hear it. Okay, listen. I gotta stop talking for a little bit so you can hear the rain. Do you hear that rain? Sorry that I can't. Sorry. I just cannot stop talking. I'm making a video. Why would I stop talking when I'm making a video? That would just be weird. But I did stop because, hold on. Okay, there. I know it's not under. I'll let you see the gas and stuff. There's the sun. Wow. If you were watching this on the exact day that I made it, you are lucky, like really lucky to me. Even though someone said, okay, exactly, someone in the comment said that you suck, and his name was Thunderbolt Gaming. Who is Thunderbolt Gaming? I know there's someone at my school called Thunderbolt Gaming. His name is Cash, but he said that he didn't do it. I believe that's him, but yeah, he said that there's more than just one. So I believe that. So when it gets to like 10 minutes, I'm stopping this video. So I don't have anything else to talk about. I don't really know what else. Sorry that's so dark. I don't know what's wrong. There's Lily's house like way over there. It's like the second light from here. Wait, no. It's like the one right beside us. It's right in front of that light. We have a light. It's like right here. Wait, no. That's our light. The sun ain't up anymore. It is dark outside. Like, okay, so guys,